Alright, what's up YouTube? Just got in from a ride today. Kind of did a little meetup. Met up with Sergeant Markins. Rode with some of the guys that I ride with on about every Sunday. Sergeant Markins, he turned out to be a really cool guy. I kind of figured he would from watching his YouTube and following him on there. But yeah, he really is. He's an awesome guy. How you see him on camera is how he is. He's really cool. Can't say enough good things about him. Really enjoyed riding with him. But anyways, if you watch his video, today started out as a beautiful day. We rode a long ways while he was with us, and it was sunny the whole time. Well, he had something come up and he has to pull off, so that's understandable. I mean, things happen. I mean, I ain't holding it against him. But after he leaves and we keep riding along, it turns out to be not as ideal riding conditions as it should be. And you'll see in this video, it is a flood. And we rode through it and we just kept riding. We didn't let it turn us around. We rode to where we planned on going, ate, and rode back home. We ended up from Litchfield, Kentucky to Corydon, Indiana. And then we rode back. I mean, I'm not complaining. It was a rainy day, but any day that I ride, I consider that a good day. And my baby, she was clean, but as you can see, she is a dirty girl. I'm gonna have to bathe her later. But yeah, I'm looking forward to maybe doing some more rides with Sergeant Markins. But I guess we can get on to the clip.